Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I bring to you how is the month of June going to be for all of us. Well, the month of June is really going to be a reflecting mode for all of us. We are going to be questioning a lot, okay? Now, well, most of us will be just questioning and worrying about situations around us and the pros and cons of what is happening around people with us. But frankly, you don't need to do that. The card has been repeatedly telling us from the last so many months as well as weeks that what we need to question is within. So the solution for the month of June, and rather June is the best period. It's going to be the month where you have to come in terms with the situation around us, accept the changes, reflect on them, and take charge of the situation. Take charge of your inputs from within. You all are going to have several new thought patterns, several new ideas. It's on you to put it into action. Those who are going to put it into action, those who are going to work towards it, execute their ideas into super plans, the universe is there to help you out. So accept the situation, drop your fear, drop your anxieties, drop off what is going to happen tomorrow, drop your fear of when things will start, what will happen. Rather accept it. And how do I go about with it? That is your message for the month of June. This will also help you keep your mind in balance, because those whose mind will be in balance, June is a month where we all may face many uncalled situations which we are not expecting. It may not happen with all of us, but yes, for definitely some of us, we need to be watchful. Something that you least expect may just come up from somewhere. So if you start working on yourself from now, you will be able to handle the situation with ease and with a lot of balance. Also, the month of June is a time when we need to work on our physical appearance. The way we look, the way we carry ourselves, the way we present ourselves, that's going to be a lot of importance for all of us, as it is going to boost our confidence. It is also going to work physically on our well-being. So it's an important message for June that work for your body, work at your physical level, exercise, work on your immunity, definitely work on your thought patterns inside. Of course, you need to meditate, you need to change at an emotional and an intellectual level. But also, the month of June is great to initiate new thoughts, new creativities. It may give you new ideas for work. So accept those changes, take charge of the situation and go ahead. Drop your fears, drop your anxieties. Accept that there is a change universally happening and we don't have an option but to accept it and go with the flow. Only if you do that will you be able to survive through the month of June. So all the very best. Stop bothering about the outside. Go inside. That's your motto. That's your message. Thank you. Have a great day. If you like it, don't forget to forward this. Like it, share it, follow us at Bliss Yoga by Bijal and do drop in your feedbacks. Thank you so much.